What's up? So today I took a trip to the family farm in Sanger. That's the house behind me and my family. So I decided to show it off a little bit. I'm gonna flip the camera now. So there used to be a bunch of vines here, grape vines, and now they're gone. There's a tractor. There's some porta potties because they're working on it. A bunch of wires. A tree. Hanging off the tree. It's crazy because I used to come here as a kid all the time, and I would hide in the grapevines and I'd look for bunnies, but instead I'd find snakes, and it's sort of scary. It's weird because there's a lot of stuff since there's new people taking care of it, working on it. Like, hey, there's birds. Oh, birds. How you guys doing? Isn't that hot? I really hope they don't peck me. If I was Redbuster, I'd freeze up right now because I wouldn't know what to do. Yay! If I was Link, I'd hit them with my sword. I used to be afraid of birds, man, because my grandpa's brother had a turkey farm, and one of the turkeys attacked me. Oh, there's the goats, and they're afraid. Say hi to YouTube, goats. So many goats. Bah! Yeah. Look at him, he's staring me down right here. Oh, you're cute! You're cute, you sing like Taylor Swift. Cause I knew that. I don't know, I forgot the words to the song. How embarrassing. I don't have food. There's goats. Let's go take you over to the farm. Dang, roosters and all the things. Plants. Yeah. It's my family farm. Ooh, that tractor. I used to sit on that tractor. Jeez. I'm blown away right now. So cool. I'll flip the camera around again. Thanks for watching. I don't usually do things like this. If you're a new viewer, this is sort of a vlog. Do a lot of gaming. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see some gaming or some toy reviews and unboxings. I do a lot of those things. Thanks a lot. Hey, buddy. Woo. Yeah. Oh, they know you. They think you're gonna feed them, huh?
Yeah. We got like three or four.